All right, guys, working on Boris's 57 T-Bird again. We are working on the front suspension. You say nasty, greasy, trashed ball joint. Rubber does not last here in the desert, period. So, not here trashing on nothing, just rubber does not last. So, got all the lower stuff sitting here, upper stuff sitting here. We have tie rod ends, in and outer, either arm bushings, either arm, sway bar links, sway bar bushings. So we got our
work cut out for us.
we do, that's for sure. So we're just gonna get on it, and I'll take you guys on my journey here. All right, later. All right, guys. When I got the caliper off, I just have it set off to the side for right now. I'm gonna go find something to tie it up with. Tie rod is basically disconnected. Yep. I got upper ball joint loose, lower ball joint loose. And as soon as I have that tied up, I'll smack the edges, get the ball joints to pop before I start undoing shock or anything like that, because we got the spring. But I think what I'll do is undo the caliper on that side, take all the cotter pans and get all that stuff loosened up before I pop these. All right, well, I'll show you guys an update here in a few.